Hello, our customer has a birthday today and she wants a cake. Let's start making her cake. But first, I'm thinking that a double layer cake would do wonders. Can you come make a cake with me? Sure, let's start making our cake. I'm planning on making a strawberry cake. For that, I have a strawberry here. I will cut it. Here is our blender. I'll put my strawberry in it. I also have some sugar. Let's start with sugar. And here I have some creamer. Let's put our creamer in it. And now I will start mixing it. And look, our dough for the cake is ready. It's here and it's all pink. Let's start making our cake with it now. Here is our microwave. I'll put our dough in it. And let's start making the first layer of our cake. And look, we got some pieces of cake. Let's bring them out. These are cake pieces. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's put them together. Here, I am going to put them together to make a first layer of our cake. Here, this is the third piece of cake. And here is the fourth piece of cake. And I have a plate here. I will put our first layer of cake on the plate. And let's start making the top layer for our cake. To make the top layer of our cake, I again have a strawberry and I am going to cut it here. I have my mixer here and I will add our strawberry pieces in it. Again, I'll add some sugar. Here I have some creamer. And now I will start mixing it together. And look, our dough is ready. Let's bring out our dough. As you can see, it's pink. Now we are going to put this in our microwave and we'll make our second layer of cake. I have a microwave here, and the dough. Put the dough in it, and let's start. And look, our cake pieces are ready. Here is one piece, 2, 3, and that's the fourth piece. Let's put them together and add it on our cake. As I have the first layer of cake, now I am going to add the second layer. Here goes the cake piece number 1, and this is the piece number 2, and here is the third piece, and I've got the fourth piece. Together here. Here, this is our first layer and this is the second layer. We are also missing a tiny mini third layer here. For that, we will again make our dough and then we will make our third layer here, okay? To make a tiny third layer, I have a strawberry here. I will cut it Here is our mixer, and now I'm gonna add our strawberry in it. This number 1, this number 2. Here's some sugar. Let's add some sugar in it. And now I'll also add some creamer in it. Let's start mixing it together. And look, the dough is ready here. This is all the pink dough we will put in our microwave and make the third layer of cake. Here is our microwave. Open the door. Let's see in it. And let's start making the third layer of cake. And look, we got our third layer of cake ready. As you can see, this is a mini tiny one. Let's add the third layer on our cake. And here it goes. Now we are going to add some toppings on it. Let's start putting our toppings. Here I have those toppings. I will add those on our cake. Here the first topping. Second one. Here goes the third topping. And here we're gonna add our last topping on the side of our cake. Okay, you can see the toppings are already done. Now I have those flour toppings. I will add those here on top of our cake. 1, 2. This is the third one. And here goes the fourth one. This looks like a perfect birthday cake. Now we are missing. What are we missing? Yes, we are missing a candle. It should be here. Let's add a candle on top. Here, I've got a candle. I'm going to add this candle on our cake here. And look, our perfect birthday cake is ready. I had so much fun. Did you have fun? Yes? Okay, perfect. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.